This video, we're going to take up one more problem, how to create this model by using the Fusion software. So to do that, first I'll go for a sketch, click on the front plane, okay. Then I will draw this particular profile now, first, okay. Once you do that, yes. So first I need to create this. I will go for a line. I will take this as the origin point, and from there I will draw a line. Then I have this point, so I will take this to the front view. Then I will say this portion I will create. This is the reference plane what I'm considering, and I will draw a line from here. Then from here, do you have any flat portion? Yes. From here I have one point, and then I will go for create, go for arc, 3-point arc. Select this point and use this point, and then you try to draw the arc. Okay. Now I want to give the dimensions for this. The overall dimension is 38. So first I will give dimension, select this, and I give this dimension, which is 16. Okay. Give this dimension as 16. Enter. Then I want to give this dimension, which is 38. Give the dimension as 38. Yes. And then I want to give the height, which is the height of this is to be given as 15 here. You take that dimension is 15, and then once you do that, now what is the overall dimension? The overall dimension is the height is 40 plus 15, which is 55. Okay, so give the dimension as from here to here, it is 55. Once you do that, so I want to give the dimension, since he has given it as a radius, give whatever radius you want. I will just give 65. Okay, because you have not mentioned any value there, so that is the reason why you can take whatever value you want. Make sure that everything is totally constrained. That is the requirement. Once you do that, now I'll go for finish sketch and go to extrude. Select this portion and extrude it in that direction. I will go for extrude, select this, and then give the value. The total value is 22 plus 44 plus 22. 44 plus 24, which becomes 68. Okay. Then come down to this value and give it as 68. Click on OK. Then I want to rotate this. Yeah. So I will take this to the other end. Okay. Now we want to go for this edge. And I want to take this value, which is now we have created only this portion. Then I want to create this hole and this portion, and I will extrude that till here. Okay. So I will go for a sketch, click on this profile, and now I will draw a circle. I will go for project, click on bodies, select on this and click on OK. Now I want to draw a circle here of any size. Okay. Then I want to give the dimension for that. Radius is 15. Go for dimension. Select this and give the diameter as 30. Okay. Once you do that, then I want to place this value, which is exactly at the center. So that means 22 plus 12. 22 plus 12 means 34. I will go for dimension. Select this, and from here you give the dimension as 22 plus 12, 34. Yes. Once you do that, then I want to give this vertical value. So what is the vertical value here? So the total distance from here, it is 30. But since I don't have this edge, so I have from here. So I will take that value as 15. I will give the dimension from this edge to here as 15. Okay. Now we have this. Okay. Then this is actually you have the circle. So I will do thing on. I will draw a line from this intersection to this intersection. Okay. Then I'm going to trim this value now. Once you do that, now we have this portion. Go to finish sketch and go to 3D. Now I will go for extrude, select this object and then come down to distance to object. So you just come over here on this side and create on this entire profile and say join. So now we have the totally, it is been selected that portion, which makes sure that it is going to join everywhere. Then the next thing is here, I will just click on OK, go to 3D. Now I want to create this rectangle here. So I will just go to rotate and go to sketch, click on this plane. Okay. Now I will create a rectangle of any size. Okay. Then the dimension from here to here it is 22 and then 24. So dimension from this line to this origin is 22. Then I want this dimension to be 24. Then from here to here it is 22 again. Similarly, I want to give this dimension which is from the center of this circle to this is 30. So I will go for dimension from this center to this edge is 30. Then I have to go for finish and then here I want to extrude that till to a depth of 100. Okay. So you go to extrude, select this profile and then give the distance as minus 100. Okay. Then I will click on OK now. So now we have this portion. Then I want to go for this dimension is only till 6. Yeah. So here that is the overall height, but here the distance is more. So I cannot do like that. So you just go to extrude, edit feature. Then I want this dimension to be minus 38, correct? Minus 38. So I'll give just minus 38. Enter, click on join. Now from here, I want to take this 24 only to a depth of 6, 7. So, okay, I will just go for sketch, click on this profile, and now I will go for rectangle, select from here. You take this dimension, go to dimension, select between these two and give the dimension as 6. Okay, then go for finish sketch and you just extrude. So from here, you give the dimension as 62. 38 is already there. 62. Then you click on join. Once you do that, now we have this entire portion. Now I want to go for the chamfer. So to do that, I will just go to edge, select on modify, go to chamfer. Okay, select this edge and give the dimension as 6. Okay, click on OK now. So now this portion is done. Now I'll go for 3D and then you rotate this. Okay. Now I want to create a hole here. 12 diameter hole, 15 deep. It's not through and through. So I will go for create and go for hole. Click on this surface. What is the diameter? 12 mm, correct? 12 diameter hole. You give diameter is 12. So, and I want to give drill flat. Okay. Then I want to take this as the concentric. What is the diameter? Length, the whole diameter, whole depth is 15. So, whole depth is diameter is 15 deep. Okay. Once you do that, now you have everything is been completed and then you just go to finish. Okay. So this is how we will be able to do this drawing. So then you go for appearance and go to paint, click on glossy and select whichever color you want. I will take this white back color and then close. So now I will going to go for saving this model. Model 3, I think it is model 4. Then I will go for save. I will go for fifth model. Fine. Okay, and I will save this. So once you do that, now I will go for design, click on drawing, click on from design, take A3. Now, so once you do that, now this it has to convert this into a drawing. So we need to take the drawing template. So since it has to go from the cloud, so it will take some time. So once you get this, so now the now once you get this, now automatically you will go and get this view. So I want to get it for 1:1 scale. You click on 1:1 scale. Now we have this position and click on OK. This is the front view. Then I want the projected view. Click on projected view, select this one and give the top view. And then you take to the side view here. And then you have the 3 dimension. Okay. Then press enter key. Now I will just click on this and I will delete this and double click on this and go for shaded portion and click on close. Now once you do that, now you want to create the model. And I want to give the dimensions for this. So for clicking that, I'll go for dimension, go to linear dimension, and I will select between this point and this point, which is 100. Okay. Then after that, I want to give this dimension, which is 30. So I will go from here to here, which is 22. Then from here to here, it is 24. And then from here to here, it is 22. Okay. Then after that, I want to give this dimension, which is from the center to this hole, which is 30, and this is 15. So from here to here, it is 15. Yes. From this center to this end point, which is 30. Then I want to give the radius dimension for this, which is 15. I want to give the dimension for diameter. So just click on this and say this diameter is 12. Okay. Then I want to give the height. Okay. The entire distance, that is from dimension, go to linear dimension, take end of this to end of this, which is 40. Then afterwards, I want to give the dimension for this, which is radius. So in this case, it will take R. So radius is 65. Then we have this hole. That the hole is already created here. Then I want to give the overall dimension which is given here. Then I want to give this distance from this point, go to linear dimension between this point and this point, which is 38. Okay. Then this height is given. So I want to give the value from here to here, which is 15. Then I want to give this dimension, which is 6. Then this is 15, it is given. Then I want to give this width, which is already 24, which is given. So this dimension is 6. because it's a chamfer. And then this is 38. Overall dimension is 100 from here to here. No, it's not 100, it is 68. Okay. So I want to give this depth, that is from here to here, it is 15. Okay. Yes. Then what are all the remaining dimensions? 24, radius 15, 6, 38, 16. Cannot provided any value for 16. No? Yes, where exactly that point is. So that point is from this edge to this edge. So you go for from here. I will go for this point. Take from here to here is 16. Okay. Then afterwards, 16. This is 38. I have given already. 38 is given. Then 9, 6, 24, 15, 40, 38. Yes, 30 is 30 is given. Yes. Then 15. Yes, it is given. So all other dimensions which have been given according to this dimension. So this is how I will just go to fit. So this is how you will be able to create model and as well as converting that model into a drawing, and finally you need to give the printout of this particular drawing.